Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a really good paper airplane. So first what you do is you make this triangle all the way, like corner, edge. Need it to be perfect so that it flies good. There we go. Gotta make sure it's good. Okay. Then you do the other thing. There we go. Then you fold this down to this line. Okay. Now flip it over. You see that X? You're gonna fold it until you see the X, only half of the X. Make sure the line is good. Okay. Then you need to put these down in the middle. Okay. Then you turn it over. I think, yep. And then you fold it up to there. And then fold it down until you see that triangle. Then you just need to move the wing back until there's no more triangle. Like right when there's no more triangle. And then push it down really hard. And do the same with the other side. There you go. We're done our planes, but there's one more thing that you need to know. Well, there's a couple actually. Here's the first thing. You gotta do this like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times and down 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there we go. Want to see how it flies? Okay. Show you how it flies from right here. Ready? The first thing you need to know is that this is a 180-degree angle, except for this part. And then there's this little 90-degree angle right here. And you need to know that your thumb goes forward like that. Okay? Now, that was a weak throw. I'm gonna throw it over there. Ready? Woo! That was awesome! You like it? Bye-bye, everybody.